not even built like that.
Listen to
You
me.
front and cut the camera on, you know damn well you ain't say none of that shit.
Listen to me. Listen to me, Kane.
Whatever you want, whatever you want.
You can't have y'all talking during the battles.
It was not that
Be
good.
quiet now. BK, it's on you.
$50,000 in a mattress. I don't even believe you got a mattress. To be honest with you.
Take a shower. What are you doing watching YouTube right now anyway? You stink. You sitting in the house all day. You ain't done shit, bro.
I guess you've seen them all. So mad. 50 pounds down in the prime of my life.
So do you feel that you're a better rapper?
I'm better at everything. Everything in the world, I'm better at it.
Why? Because you want to do something? You want somebody to do it to me bad? I know y'all do, but well, come do it, because I be out here.
Body Rottweiler, search party trying to track his car, end up yo.
Bro, when you lost
mama,
one,
you not about to say my damn homeboy.
So I
name.
met that
We
shit.
gon' fight. We gon' fight. I'm not lying to you.
Speaking of the fans want to hear a certain type of rap, right?
One was rhythm.
Not only $50,000 in a mattress, another $40,000 in the attic. $90,000.
I always do great. I'm the best ever.
Talk that shit. Y'all didn't get that. Dude, he does a little thing every time that
Like the college freak rolls, all right? Let's do it. But you say
That's what you're supposed to do anyway, right? That means sometimes I just am a man.
Rough and tough, man. All of that, bro. Leave me alone, bro. I don't want no trouble. I love you, bro. Just leave me alone, bro.
What I did, because I don't, yo, listen.
That's your man. That's just whack.
This is the thing, he exposed me. I mean, he did expose to I am white.
I'm punching people and screaming help. Like, I'm winning the fight, but I'm screaming help the whole time. Help! Help! But the whole time, people coming to get me.